Hi everyone, this is Somedi Paul, a mentor at Codekerdos and a software developer at Amazon, and this is day 12 of our DSA series. And in today's video, we won't be covering any new concept or any new topic or any new question, but I want to spend time in this video to debunk a huge misconception that so many students are having nowadays. And that misconception is regarding AI. Now, every few weeks, a new viral post shows up that AI can do your job for so and so dollars, so cheap, so why would anyone hire you? Now, it sounds sharp, almost convincing, but trust me, it's not true. It's not at all true. I have worked as a software developer at Expedia Group for 4 years, and recently now I have made a switch to Amazon. And both these companies pay top dollars to some really smart software developers. And they have thousands and thousands of software developers working for them. So this claim that software developer job will completely vanish is not true. Now, suppose you are responsible for a real system in production. It is 2 a.m. at night. Payments are failing, customers can't log in, logs are flooded with noise. Rollback might make things worse, and every minute is costing real money. That is not a prompt engineering problem that some AI can solve. That is real ownership. At our edtech company, Codekerdos, we work with thousands and thousands of learners who are trying to break into tech. Some are even trying to break into tech who are from non-tech backgrounds. And one thing we tell them clearly is that AI is a tool. AI is just a tool, not a replacement of engineers. It is a tool that will help you. It is a tool for developers. It is a tool for engineers, not against engineers. Yes, AI can generate code faster, no doubt there. Yes, it can reduce effort for basic tasks, no doubt there. But software engineering was never just about writing code. Please understand this. A software engineer, a good software engineer, barely writes code for say 20 to 30% of the time. For rest 70 to 80% of the time, they do other tasks. Software engineering is actually knowing what to build and what not to build. It is anticipating what breaks under real world load. It is making safe decisions when systems are fragile. It is handling uncertainty when there is no clear answer. And it is about staying calm when the pressure is high. AI doesn't carry responsibility, you do. Every software engineer working in a company handles and carries responsibility. AI doesn't. AI is just a slave of us engineers, nothing more. History makes this very clear. There have been many major outages and failures, but they were never caused by a lack of code. Now, AI can write code very fast, but every major outage or failure has never been because of lack of code. They were caused because of maybe poor rollout strategies, or lack of testing discipline, or weak understanding of system impact, or there may have been some missed edge cases, or some wrong human decisions. And fixing them required judgment, not just code generation. It required judgment. So, what does AI actually change? It raises the baseline. It improves our efficiency. AI will definitely replace repetitive work, reduce the need for low skill execution, challenge developers who rely only on syntax knowledge. But it will increase the demand for engineers who can think, decide, and own systems end to end. Are you getting it? So if you're worried about AI taking your job, focus on this. You're not, don't compete with AI on speed. Compete on thinking. Now, I'm not saying that AI will not take any jobs at all. It will take. Unfortunately, it will take. But they will be hardly 5, 10, 15% at max. The low level jobs where the support based work, the tester based work, where there is a lot of repetitive work, where there is low skill execution, where support people don't need to think much, they're just told to do something and they follow a fixed flowchart to do that. AI can follow a flowchart, so AI can do that. So it's not exactly developers, software engineers who are getting replaced. It is more testers who are getting replaced. It is more support people who are getting replaced. It is more customer support people who are getting replaced, etc. Okay. So you have to learn system design, debugging, production readiness, failure handling, be good at trade-off analysis. So learn all these things when you go for an interview. It is no more just code writing anymore. Okay. And see, because see, when things go wrong, and they always do, as a software developer, I can definitely say that things always do go wrong. Companies are not looking for someone who can write code fast. They're looking for someone who can take responsibility. So as I said, that AI will definitely be removing some replacing some repetitive work, removing some low skill execution jobs, testing, support kind of jobs. So AI is taking a slice of the pie, no doubt. But the bigger, more valuable slice that still belongs to engineers who know what they're doing. And that's exactly the kind of developers we are building at Codekerdos. So if you're worried about AI taking your job, don't be worried. Learn DSA, learn system design properly, and join us at Codekerdos so that we can help you in doing that. Okay. So bye everyone, and I'll see you all in our next video of this DSA series.